Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your phone to see that. While you were sleeping, an AI system had deposited $200 into your account. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this is real, and it's happening to people all over the world right now. Number 3 will surprise you. Welcome back to AI Smart Hustles. Today, I'm going to show you how to make passive income from AI. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, get ready to learn how to earn more with AI. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more updates. First, what is passive income? Passive income is basically money you make without actively working for it. It's like having a little side hustle that works for you even when you're busy doing other things. For example, think about renting out a spare room in your house. You don't have to be there 24/7 to make sure everything is okay. Set it up once, and then you get paid consistently without having to work all the time. The best part is that with AI, you can do this in many different ways, and it's easier than ever. And yes, it is possible to create a full-time income with passive income streams. Many people around the world are already doing it, and I'm going to show you how today. Now let's dive into my first passive income stream for you, which is affiliate marketing. But wait, don't freak out if you've never heard of affiliate marketing before. Basically, affiliate marketing is like being a salesperson, but for online products. Let's say your favorite clothing brand had an online store. They could put a special link in your hands. And every time someone buys something from their store using your link, you get a small cut of the sale. Now imagine doing this with hundreds of products from different brands. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. And now with the help of AI, it is much easier than ever to start affiliate marketing. Here's how you can combine AI and affiliate marketing to make passive income. First, go to websites like ClickBank or Digistore24 and find products that people are already buying. These are called affiliate programs, and they allow you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Once you find a good product, use ChatGPT to help you write amazing product reviews, emails and captions that will make people want to buy that product. You can also use it to help you find the best places to share your affiliate links like Facebook groups, blogs, and forums. Then simply share your affiliate links in those places and add a tracking system. To track how many clicks and sales you are getting, you can earn commissions on every sale you make, but remember always to be honest with people and only promote products you would use yourself. Follow these simple steps and watch the money roll in. My second passive income idea is AI freelancing. Freelancing is like being your own boss and working on different projects for different companies. Think about it as doing a little bit of everything, like graphic design, writing, and social media management. It's a great way to earn money doing what you love and setting your own hours. But some people might not be very good at all of these things, and that's where you come in. With AI tools, you can offer your services to help other people who need help with these tasks. Let me give you an example. You can offer to write blog posts for people using ChatGPT. Just ask the AI to write an interesting article on a certain topic, and then make sure to edit it and add your own style to it before giving it to the client. Or you could help people who want to sell things online by writing product descriptions using AI. Simply ask the AI to write a description for a certain product, and again, make sure to edit it before giving it to your client. You can also offer your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork, where businesses and individuals come to find freelancers like you. If you're interested in graphic design or digital art, you can use Leonardo AI to create beautiful designs and sell your services on these websites. Again, it's important to remember to edit your work before delivering it to your clients. While AI can do a lot, it's your editing skills that will make your work stand out from the crowd. So make sure to take the time to add your own personal touch to everything you create. By following these simple steps, you can start your own freelancing business and earn passive income doing what you love. My third passive income stream for you is selling AI prompts and digital products. Now here's a way that's a little less common, but still very effective. Did you know that people are actually paying money for prompts that they can use with AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney? On websites like PromptBase, you can sell your prompts and earn money every time someone uses them. All you need to do is come up with some creative and effective prompts that people will find useful, and you can start making passive income right away. And guess what? People are already doing this and making thousands of dollars. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing that you've earned $100 while you were sleeping. Now that's what I call a smart hustle. And here's another way you can sell digital products on websites like Etsy. You can make bundles of social media content. planners, templates, or anything else that people might find useful. And guess what? AI can help you create these products in no time. You can use ChatGPT to generate content for your social media bundles, or use it to create templates for your digital planners. And that's not all. You can also use AI tools like Midjourney to create beautiful and unique artwork that you can sell as digital art. So here's how you can use ChatGPT to create content for your social media bundles. Simply ask the AI to generate content on a certain topic, and then edit and format it to fit your needs. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write captions for Instagram posts about productivity, and then bundle them together and sell them as a package. You can do the same thing with templates for digital planners. Just ask ChatGPT to create a template for a certain type of planner, and then use it to create your own unique version that you can sell on Etsy. Remember, while AI can do a lot, it's your creativity and editing skills that will make your products stand out from the crowd. So use AI as a tool to help you bring your ideas to life. Don't forget to check out websites like Etsy and PromptBase to see what kind of digital products and prompts are selling well right now.
Who knows?
Maybe you'll find a gap in the market that you can fill with your own unique creations. So there you have it, 3 awesome ways to make passive income with AI. From affiliate marketing to freelancing to selling digital products, the possibilities are endless. The best part is that you can start earning money even while you sleep. It's like having your own little money-making machine. Now it's up to you to decide which hustle you want to try. Are you going to be an affiliate marketer, a freelancer, or a digital product seller? Whatever you choose, remember that consistency is key. It takes time and effort to build up your passive income streams, but the results are definitely worth it. And don't forget to always be learning and growing. As the AI world is constantly evolving, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. So keep learning, keep growing, and watch your income grow with it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.